Hello everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to receive money on Wise. First, log into your Wise account. Enter your email address and password. Then, click Login. From the home screen, tap Request near the top of your screen. Tap Start to begin creating a new request. Select the currency you want to receive. Tap Account Details to continue. Enter the amount you'd like to request, then tap Continue. Tap Continue again to proceed. Choose one of the two options. I've made my bank transfer if the sender has already paid, or I'll transfer my money later if it's scheduled for later. And that's it. That's how to receive money on Wise. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.